It is Friday night. Yesterday I got a suggestion from Vlad PhD. Is that how you're supposed to say that? I'm sorry if it's not. I was thinking we'll do this with both of those songs. If it doesn't, drag on too long, then we'll do it in 2 videos. But hopefully we can make it in 1 video, so I'm gonna stop talking too much. And, play. I'm gonna take my... Why was that where my mind went? Do you know that I haven't even seen that video? I don't even think I've listened to the full song. But that's somehow what this reminded me of, even though I haven't even heard this song. That's nice. I have no idea, by the way, I didn't say that, but I have no idea. I've never heard of Thrice at all. Aw, that's nice. Even though he had like... What? I'm just so shocked. Jesus. Why does it feel like I never get it right? What's wrong with you, man? I really like the sound of this song. But it just kind of like sounded like, I never get it right, and he keeps changing out his parent, and it just kind of feels like I never get the right parent, so I'm gonna keep trying. I don't know what's going on. Okay. That's the thing. I recognized a lot. Both the female drivers, I feel like I recognized them as actresses. Can someone just explain what's going on? I'm not getting any clues. Like, it's such a simple video though, and it's keeping me like looking, even though nothing's really new is happening. It's the same, and the song is really, really nice. Gosh, I like this. This is reminding me of Tall Grass. Have you seen that movie? I'm so confused. Is that black honey? Like, I'm usually pretty confused when I watch music videos, but like, I'm super confused. What? Can someone explain life to me? That would be nice. And I'm just hoping you're supposed to be confused and that it's not just me being stupid. Let's move on to Hurricane. Play. Good. I watched them in the right order. I think, because that's where the last one ended off. What's going on now? And he went like, oh yeah, it's not a parent that I want, it's a girlfriend. I don't even know. But she's just like in a little box. See? He went like, parents sucks. It doesn't even matter who they are, they suck, so I'm gonna go and get myself a girlfriend. This song is a little slower. A little slower, I don't know, it felt a little slower. It's still a little bit slower, but it's nice. I like the song. Are those his parents? Are them? See, I don't understand anything. The more information I'm getting, the more confused I am. Like, this is either them in the future, or it's their parent. I don't know what's going on. I just realized I haven't listened to this song at all because I was so focused on the story. Fistful of sand, you know, the sand is running away, the time is running away. I get it, but I don't get it. And I'm just having this feeling that things are sad, and then I don't want to get it. Don't tell me that this is a sad story, because I don't want it. I like the song though. Why is she trapped in the box? Told you not to make it sad. Okay, stop. What's going on? I need an explanation or like 5. Well, now she's there again? Okay, crazy people. I still need an explanation. Well, great. It ended. So I really like both of those songs. Just the song and the vocals and the instruments, they sound really nice. I'm very confused by both of the videos, what was going on and why. So if anybody has a good explanation for that, you know, please leave a comment down below and let me know what's going on. Or do you not understand it either? That would make me feel somewhat better. Well, thank you so much for suggesting new songs and new groups and everything for me to listen to. I just love listening to music and you know, getting to listen to something new. Like, I've never even heard of this group at all, so it was super fun to getting to listen to something new. I'm gonna leave that here and we'll see how long or short this video actually turns out to be. But if you want to watch any of my other random reactions, you can click right here. If you want to subscribe to this random channel, you can click right here. And I will see you in the next very random video. Bye!